Today we're going to add an armature to our basic cube, but to make this stand out a little bit more, let's add an image or a shader to this so that it stands out a little bit better inside of our view. There we've got our shader. Let's pull that up a little bit more and add a texture, and I'm just going to include a basic texture to that. Draw the color to base color, and let's set the secondary color to red so that this shows up a little bit better. There. Okay. And now we can clearly see our object, and so it'll stand out a little bit more clearly. Let's go back here to our timeline. And the next thing I want to do is go and add an armature to this object. So as you can see, it's just right there at the very tip top. So let's go over here to our data, go to viewport, and make sure that our armature is now showing in the front of the object. There's a variety of different settings we can use for armatures, but this is going to work for now. Before I attach the armature to the cube, I do want to get it lined up properly with the object, so I'll pull it down and let's scale it up a little bit so it goes all the way to the top. There we go. Now with that done, we can see the armature is now in the center of the cube. Let's select the cube and then select the armature by holding the shift key. Now we have both selected, first the mesh, then the armature. Control P. Then we're going to set parent with automatic weights. And now the object is attached to it. Now I am at frame 1. I can now, any changes that I make to the armature, select the armature up here. Any changes I make to the armature affects the entire object. We can also do scaling and even rotation. Now this of course becomes very important as we start animating. So you can change the whole object very quickly, very easily with just the control of the armature. Of course, we can do a lot more complex things, so make sure you like and subscribe and follow along to see what else we can do by adding an armature to a basic shape, and then we'll get into using humanoid shapes very quickly.